Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add XRP to Trust Wallet. First, ensure your Trust Wallet application is fully updated to the latest version. This step is crucial for accessing all available features and ensuring compatibility with various cryptocurrencies. Once updated, open the app and prepare to navigate to the token management section. We'll make sure everything is ready for a smooth addition of XRP. Now that your app is updated, open Trust Wallet. Look for the Add Tokens icon, usually found at the top right of your main wallet screen. Tap on it to bring up the search bar. In the search bar, type XRP to quickly find the Ripple token among the many options available. This will help you pinpoint the correct asset to add. Once you've found XRP, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Tap this switch to enable the XRP token in your wallet. After enabling, tap directly on the XRP entry to open its dedicated page. Here, you'll find options like Send and Receive. Select Receive to display your unique XRP wallet address and the associated QR code. With your XRP receiving address displayed, carefully copy it. This address is what you'll use to send XRP from an exchange or another wallet into your Trust Wallet. Always double-check that the address you've copied matches the one displayed in your Trust Wallet before finalizing any transaction. This ensures your XRP arrives safely in your new wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.